Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming account details now. Sign in as the primary user and validate the email, password, and payment method. This prevents lockouts later. Once done, verify your Disney Plus plan and how many streams or profiles it supports, because that determines how many people can watch concurrently. Make sure you choose whether to create extra profiles for personalization or to share the login directly. Each choice has privacy and security trade-offs you should weigh before proceeding. Now create separate profiles and adjust maturity and content filters so each person gets the right experience. This reduces accidental viewing and keeps recommendations accurate. Next, set a PIN for the primary profile or for kids' profiles if you want extra control, and explain to recipients how to switch profiles. When you share access, give either a profile plus instructions or the login credentials, but never share saved payment or two-factor details. That preserves account security. Finish by having the other person sign in and play a video while you stay ready to confirm streaming works. Test on one device first to avoid hitting concurrent stream caps. If playback fails, make sure you aren't exceeding simultaneous streams, then check the account's list of active devices and sign out unused sessions. If anything seems wrong, unexpected locations or changes, reset your password immediately and revoke access for devices you don't recognize, because quick recovery protects your billing and privacy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.